Hello, everyone. This is Emmanuel Idoko Abba, and right now I'm about to verify my sister's account. So, everyone, I just want you to just listen up so that you can be able to verify your account. Although currently now the verification have been put off, reason being that we are working on it. So you just have to be patient while the system works. So I just want you to also subscribe to my channel to that will also encourage me to upload more videos like this for you to be able to know more about Inks Nation. Now, for you to be able to verify your account, you're going to see a pop-up like this by the time the upgrade is being rectified. So you just need to upload your BVN correctly, and by the time you upload it correctly, um, it's going to take you to the next page where you are going to make your payments. Okay, so this is the page. So right now what you're going to do is you select any payment method you're going to use. Okay, we have pay with card, pay with bank, pay with transfer, pay with USSD, and the last one is pay with Visa QR code. Now I will advise you go with pay with card. Now I want you to know something, that this page is actually for Paystack. Okay, so if you don't know Paystack, you can make finding about it. Paystack is a payment method just like Stripe. So now you're going to input my debit card details. So by the time I'm through with it, so I will be charged 200 naira. So make sure you write the correct digits. So by the time you upload it, so they're going to send an OTP password to my phone number that I used with my bank account. Okay, so now I'm going to authenticate. So now right now you just authenticate and you wait. Please, once it's loading, don't press back, don't press anything at this moment, just allow it to load. Okay, so just be patient. Okay, if you see this, no worries. Okay, it's just trying to tell you that the authentication was not successful. So what you need to do is just to try it again. Okay, maybe it's because of bad network. Okay, so you just have to try it again. So this time around, let's try it. So that's just all. It's okay, so it's trying to authenticate now. So please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also give me a like. It will also encourage me to share more videos like this, and also to all your questions. Please, if you have any questions for me, please drop it on the comment below. All right, so now it is authentication with my bank. Okay, so while we are waiting, so please kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Now I'm trying to get an OTP password now using my SIM card. So you allow it. Okay, so this is the box that allows you to input the OTP password. If we send it to my phone, so you just need to check your phone and then copy it and then click process submit. So right now it's going to process successfully, and we're going to come back. So right now, okay, so by the time you're through with that, you just need to refresh this page. Once you see 502 bad gateway, so you just need to refresh this page. Once you refresh, just relax and then you wait while the network loads.